Okay, just in, the 1973 Ford Mustang Convertible, 351 Cleveland, air conditioning car, newer tires. Rims are not the sharpest, but a lot of guys like those aluminum slots. The interior is really nice. The floors are unbelievable. We're actually going to put a HEI in it. It's got the stock ignition, and it's getting spark, but it's not really, I don't know, there's no point in putting, if you mess with it, by the time you put points and all that in it, they got the new HEIs for with plug wires for 120 bucks. You might as well just update that so you got a little more reliable car. Definitely starts easier, things like that with that. So we're doing that. Once we get that done, I'll take some video of underneath when we put it on the rack, but it is a nice car. Top's in good shape, interior floors are unbelievable, and having the 351 Cleveland is so much nicer than the 302s in these. So we'll go through it and get it cleaned up a bit and see what we could do here. And remember, like and subscribe please to our for YouTube, because we need to get at least 1,000 followers. This is terrible. I need more followers on here. And of course, when you do like and subscribe, you're going to get the cars before they're advertised, before anything's up like that, and it gives you a shot, if it's a car you really like, to get it before we do all the advertising and anyone else gets a chance to see it. So